Hi, everyone. Welcome to our lesson on how to tell a story in English.
Telling a story is a wonderful way to connect with others, share experiences, or entertain. But it can feel challenging if you're not confident in English.
Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll learn how to structure your story, use the right vocabulary, and make your storytelling engaging.
So, let's dive in and learn how to become great storytellers.
First, let's talk about what makes a good story. A story usually has three parts. Beginning ***. Introduce the characters and setting. Example. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind farmer. Middle ***. Describe the problem or main event. Example. One day, the farmer's crops stopped growing. End ***. Show how the problem is solved or how the story concludes. Example. With the help of his neighbors, the farmer planted new seeds and saved his farm.
These three parts help your audience follow along and stay interested.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases for each part of a story. Once upon a time, ***, a classic way to start a story. A long time ago, ***, another way to introduce a story. In a faraway land, ***, great for fairy tales or imaginary stories.
Example. Once upon a time, there was a brave knight who lived in a castle. One day, ***, introduces the main event. Suddenly, ***, for surprising events. Everything changed when ***, indicates a turning point.
Example. One day, the knight heard about a dragon attacking nearby villages. In the end, ***, summarizes how the story concludes. And they lived happily ever after. Perfect for happy endings.
Example. In the end, the knight defeated the dragon and saved the kingdom.
To make your story interesting, describe the characters and setting clearly. Who are they? ***, their name, age, or role. Example. Tom was a curious 10-year-old boy. What do they look like? ***, physical features. Example. He had curly hair and big brown eyes. What do they do? ***, their job or role in the story. Example. Tom loved exploring the forest near his home.
Here's an example. Tom, a curious 10-year-old with curly hair, loved exploring the forest ***. Where does the story take place? Example. ***, the story happens in a quiet village surrounded by mountains. What does it look like? Example. ***, the village had colorful houses and a clear blue river. When does it happen? Example. ***, it was a bright summer morning.
Combining these details paints a clear picture for your audience.
Every story needs a plot. This is the sequence of events that happen. Let's break it down. Introduction ***. Introduce characters and setting. Rising action ***. Describe the events leading to the problem. Climax ***. The most exciting part or turning point. Falling action ***. Events leading to the resolution. Conclusion ***. How the story ends.
Example. Introduction ***. Tom loved exploring the forest. Rising action ***. One day, he found a mysterious map. Climax ***. Tom faced challenges to find the treasure. Falling action ***. He solved the last puzzle. Conclusion ***. Tom discovered the treasure and shared it with his village. Most stories are told in the past tense. Let's review some verbs. Regular verbs. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Play, played.
Example. Tom walked through the forest and talked to the animals. Irregular verbs. Go, went. See, saw. Find, found.
Example. He went to the river, saw a map, and found the treasure.
Practice these verbs to make your storytelling smooth.
To make your story engaging, add emotions. Use words like. To make your story engaging, add emotions. Use words like. Example. Tom felt excited when he saw the treasure. Sad upset, heartbroken, gloomy. Example. He felt sad when he lost the map. Scared nervous, frightened, worried. Example. Tom was frightened when he heard strange noises.
Using emotions helps your audience connect with your story.
Let's create a short story together. I'll start. Once upon a time, a girl named Lily lived in a small town.
One day she found a magical book in the library.
The book could make her wishes come true, but only if she solved riddles.
In the end, Lily used the book to help her friends and became a hero in her town.
Try writing your own story using these steps.
Telling stories takes practice. Start with simple ones and gradually add more details.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep practicing and enjoy the process.